Hello friends, and welcome to another unboxing video. Today we're checking out these USB C to USB or to Lightning cables for iPhones or whatever else uses the Lightning cables, Apple devices. So this is a 2-pack and it features of these. I believe these are 6 feet long. Yes, appear to be 6 feet long. And what we have is just a nice, this has like an aluminum end here. These are supposed to be Apple MFi certified to be compatible with Apple. They have this part right here that's attached to help it from like fraying there. And that can bend either way, a little rubber thing on there. These are nylon wrap too, so these should be considerably stronger than just the regular plastic ones you get sometimes. So I have a wall charger plugged in already, and I'm going to plug this in over here. Alright, got that in, and I have an iPhone, what is this one? I think an 11 Pro Max, and there we are, charging up nicely. I don't know if you guys can see that, the little charge symbol that comes on there. So the little battery comes up and it is working nicely with that. So one thing I kind of like here is some of these cases are pretty bulky, and if you have some aftermarket plugins are a little bit thicker. So if you try to plug them in, this part will actually hit on the case, and you won't be able to charge it. But this one appears to be thin enough where that's not the case here. I have an iPhone 12 Pro Max here, or 13. I can't remember which one it is. And the same thing there. Charging nicely also. Boom, 90%. So some of these aftermarket ones, they don't really, it's like Apple changes their I think their software or something maybe on their phones that doesn't allow some aftermarket chargers to work, or their cords or whatever. Again, this is like a pretty bulky case, and this one fit in there. I actually had to modify this case so just a little bit so it would work, because some of them are pretty tight right there. But as you can see, my friends, these appear to be quite durable and pretty nice. Actually kind of look pretty cool as well, with that kind of almost like zebra design on there. So, okay guys, well, I appreciate you watching this video. Everyone have a great day, and we'll see you next time.